How to add Spotify link to Instagram bio. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow this method. So first of all, you may open up Spotify on your screen. And then once you open up Spotify, you should be finding this. So from here, what you can do is go ahead and locate up the video or the album, the song you would like to share on your Instagram bio. For example, this song right here. So all you gotta do is locate up the song, and in the bottom you should be finding a search option. You may tap on it, and then once you do, you should be finding an option to copy link. You may go ahead and tap on it, and after the link is copied to your clipboard, you may go ahead and close up your Spotify and then head over to Instagram. After going over to your Instagram, you may head over to the bottom right corner and open up your profile page. Now from here, what you can do is tap on the option that says edit profile, tap on it, and once you do, it gives you this option. Now in this bio section, all you gotta do is you may go ahead and paste the link and then tap on right at the top. Once that is done, you may hit back and you should be finding the Spotify link pasted in your bio. So that is how you add Spotify link to Instagram bio. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.